practice English speaking.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to have fun talking on the phone in English.
Oh no, phone calls. My weakness. I always say, hello? Who is this? And then panic.
Don't worry, Jake. That's exactly why we are here. We will practice together. You will speak English confidently, even on the phone.
Okay. I need confidence and maybe coffee.
Coffee is important, but first, let's start simple. Imagine you call your friend. What do you say first?
Hello?
Good start, but try this too. Hi, it's Jake. How are you?
Hi, it's Jake. How are you? Like this?
Perfect. See? Not scary at all. And you can add a little joke. Hi, it's Jake. How are you? Survived Monday yet?
Oh, wow, Monday jokes. I like that. Okay, let me try. Hi, it's Jake. How are you? Survived Monday?
Excellent. Sounds natural. Now imagine your friend answers, Hi, Jake. I'm good. And you?
I can say, I'm good too. Thanks for asking.
Perfect. Or you can make it fun. I'm good too, but I almost spilled coffee on my laptop. Monday strikes again.
Mondays are dangerous, huh? Okay, I see. You can add little funny stories.
Exactly. Funny stories make the conversation lively. Now let's try asking about plans.
Plans, like, what are you doing today?
Yes, exactly. But here's a playful twist. Hey, any exciting adventures today or just Netflix and snacks?
Netflix and snacks, my favorite adventure. Okay, I'll say, hey, any exciting adventures today or just Netflix and snacks?
Perfect. And your friend might say, haha, just Netflix. You?
I'm just reading a book and trying not to fall asleep.
Good one. Always funny, always friendly. And see how we use small phrases like just reading or trying not to fall asleep. Very simple English, very natural.
I see. So short sentences are better on the phone.
Yes, especially for beginners. Short sentences, clear words, and don't forget little jokes. They make it fun.
Okay, next, what if I need to ask something? Like, can we meet tomorrow?
Good. You can say, hey, would you like to meet tomorrow? Or playful, hey, want to make tomorrow legendary?
Legendary. Wow, my English is getting cool. Okay, hey, want to make tomorrow legendary?
Yes. And your friend could answer, haha, sure. What time?
Then I say, how about 3 p.m. at the coffee shop?
Perfect. Very clear. See, you just arranged a meeting on the phone confidently.
Wow, feels good. I used to panic before a phone call.
Exactly. And now let's add a little problem solving. Sometimes we call and the other person doesn't understand.
Oh yes, that happens to me all the time. What did you say?
Haha, perfect example. Then you can say, sorry, I will say it again. I said 3 p.m. at the coffee shop.
Got it. And if they still don't understand?
Then use playful English. Oops, let's try again. 3 p.m. at the coffee shop. You in?
Haha, you in. Very casual. I like that.
Yes, very natural. And always repeat if needed. Don't worry about mistakes.
Okay, now how about ending the call? I always say bye and then panic. Aziva.
Yes, many beginners just say bye and hang up. Let's make it friendly. Okay, see you tomorrow. Can't wait. Bye.
Let me try. Okay, see you tomorrow. Can't wait. Bye.
Perfect. Or playful. Okay, see you tomorrow. Don't forget to bring coffee. Bye.
Yes, coffee is important. Always.
Absolutely. Now let's practice a full mini conversation. I will be your friend. You call me.
Okay, deep breath. Hello, it's Jake. How are you?
Hi, Jake. I'm good. And you?
I'm good too, but almost spilled coffee on my laptop. Monday strikes again.
Mondays are dangerous. What are you doing today?
Any exciting adventures or just Netflix and snacks?
Haha, just Netflix. You?
I'm just reading a book and trying not to fall asleep.
Good one. Want to make tomorrow legendary?
Yes! How about 3 p.m. at the coffee shop?
Perfect. I'm in. See you tomorrow and don't forget coffee.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, that felt natural, not scary at all.
See? Just a few phrases, a little humor, and short sentences. That's all beginners need to start speaking confidently on the phone.
I feel ready to call anyone now, maybe even my boss.
Maybe start with a friend first, but yes, confidence is the key.
So, little jokes, short sentences, repeat if needed, and have fun.
Exactly. And remember, practice every day. Even a 5-minute phone chat is perfect.
Okay, I will try daily. Maybe call my grandma. She laughs at my English mistakes anyway.
Perfect. Mistakes are funny sometimes, and they make learning real.
Thanks, Anna. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome, Jake. And to all our listeners, don't be afraid. Pick up the phone, smile, and speak English confidently. Add a little joke, always makes it fun.
Yes, and remember, coffee is optional, but fun is mandatory.
Absolutely. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Practice, laugh, and talk every day.
Bye, everyone. Talk soon, maybe on the phone.
Bye. Keep speaking English and have a wonderful day.